Hello and welcome. For those that don't know me yet, my name is Cairo and this is Mizuki. She is currently 5 years old. Hello Mizuki! Hello! Mizuki-san! Hi! Good job. Hi, Midori. 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 Mizuki loves dancing. I'm not much of a dancer myself, but I do my best for her. In this series we will be covering communication and the steps we took. Well, for the longest time I gave in to the fact that she can't communicate. At her special needs school, mostly they focus on fine motor skills and they don't touch on communication at all. So I didn't think it was an option for the two of us. I did my best at knowing and guessing what it is she needed, but looking back, I don't think that was the best choice to make. Tatakao fuki. Pyo pyo pyo. Pyo pyo pyo. Arigato. For example, when you're sitting down for dinner, instead of giving them the expected dish, give them a bowl, give them a coat hanger. That would give them the opportunity to speak out and say what they want and what they need, instead of giving them exactly what they want and they need immediately. Well, I came across a YouTube channel called Fathering Autism. I'm sure by the name you can tell how much it has affected our lives and had an impact on our lives. He has a daughter with autism and is able to communicate with her using a smartphone application. After seeing that, I immediately knew that this is something that we could use together that would benefit our lives. Well, to be honest, I haven't yet found an application that is right for the two of us. However, that has not stopped our journey to communication. The first active step with communication. I guess we were getting dressed. I gave her an option of 2 items, one I knew she didn't like and one I knew she did like, and she immediately grabbed the one that she does like. I don't think at that point in time it was communication. However, after 2 or 3 times of touching and pointing specific items, she got to wear or eat those items. And not only has it made things like getting dressed and eating a lot easier, it has instilled in her mind that communication is something that will benefit her life in so many ways. Our current problem is that she is shouting so much. She has realized that her voice has an impact and has meaning. She doesn't have the words to say quite yet, but that is something we're working on together. Don't take the chance of communication away from your child. Start small, keep at it, give them a choice. That's where we started. Even if you think your child cannot physically or mentally make a choice, make the choice for them, in front of them, and let them know that a choice has been made. That will help you and your child with the right mindset of communication. If you know someone has special needs, don't avert your eyes. Don't say nothing. Say something. Imagine you went through your whole life and everyone averted their eyes and never spoke to you. Stop and think about that for a minute. Bye bye. Minani, bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you for coming. See you. Bye bye.